So quick little fix on the 2002 Toyota Tacoma, so the extra cab. So I'm replacing these window molding strips. As you can see, the rubber has kind of degraded and has been peeled off. Whoever had this before me peeled off. I'm getting the nice black ones. Safety clips right here, and just order them off of Rock Auto. They're $60 all in, both of them. Got both of them right here. This is gonna be the right side. This will be the left side. I'll get to that. It's a really simple installation process. No need to take off the mirror. You just pull it off and it pops. So what I've done is you get a little pair of needle nose pliers. This part, you can see it's already pulled out. Kind of just reach in there and you kind of just pull and pop that off. First couple clips will come off, and then this part will detach, and then you'll pull it toward you. And then you'll just remove it all together. Let's see if I'm gonna need my extra hand for this, but you can already feel that this is just needing to be replaced. It's kind of not sealing in the same way, and this goes directly down into the door, so we don't wanna have any additional rust. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna pop this off or see if I can put the phone somewhere else. Kind of wedged it in there. I guess if I rock the car, it's gonna pop it out. So you just kind of pull and pop it out, that's it. Some of these clips right here, there's a clip that's kind of broke off on the pop clip, but you know what, who cares that you're not going to use this anymore. And then this clip, actually, this is where the needle nose pliers come in pretty handy. Just gonna get in up top, pop it off. There you go. Sometimes these clips will break. Who cares? Over with and done. I like to just check the inside of the door. No water got in, there's no rusting, looks good. Those clips 1, 2, and 3 is where it's gonna go. I'll pull it over for you to see. So this is what it looks like naked. Those clips are gonna pop on 1, 2, 3. You might think there's 4, but I think it's only gonna connect to these 1, 2, and 3. I'll slide that in, make sure it goes over the lip, and get it installed. Let's have the right side. There are only 3 clips, and they do kind of line up. They'll line up on 1, 2, and 3 on these little notches. Really, the big thing here is sliding this one end piece. We're gonna kind of make sure that it's sitting nicely on top of the groove, and it kind of slots in to the mirror. Kind of just slots in very neatly and creates that seal. Creates that rubber seal. And you'll notice all these, so these clips aren't entirely lined up, but the good thing is that you can move them and slide them a bit to the side. So we want to make sure you just kind of push and slide them. We're going to make sure that those are lined up accordingly, like so. And then it's just a matter of giving a nice little pop into place, making sure that this goes onto the inside, creates that seal. So it's nice and slid in. Those little white clips, you're gonna want the teeth will be on the back. Right? I'm gonna make sure that this is nicely situated. There it is, it looks pretty good. Clean off that edge. And then just a matter of and there you have it. Nice, easily installed. Took only about 10 minutes for both sides. Best thing to do too is just, as you have this open, just make sure it doesn't pop up. Rolls up and down fairly easily. And just check both of those sides. The big key here is really making sure those clips engage. They can feel like they don't, but once they're on, and it just overall looks a lot cleaner and a lot nicer.